If you spend enough time online, you have probably seen ads for extreme juice diets or intense routines promising to flush out waste overnight. The medical reality is quite different. You cannot actually buy a true detox in a bottle, because waste removal is a continuous process your body already handles on its own. Looking at this simplified diagram of the human body, we can see the real detox heroes at work. Your liver, kidneys, and digestive tract run 24/7 to process and safely remove waste. Problems arise when we overload that system. Eating heavy, dense proteins can severely slow down your digestive tract. When the gut becomes inflamed and sluggish, this natural waste removal pipeline gets backed up, leaving you feeling bloated and uncomfortable. Achieving a refreshed, clear feeling does not require starvation or a punishing liquid diet. It simply requires unblocking that digestive pipeline so your organs can get back to working efficiently. To help get a backed-up system moving again, you can look to a very specialized fruit, the papaya. Clinical trials show that its specific composition makes it a powerful assistant for your digestive tract. The secret to its success is a powerful natural extract hidden inside the unripe fruit's latex. It is an active enzyme known as papain. Think of papain as a highly specialized tool designed by nature to reduce your digestive workload. It acts as the ultimate assistant to your body's own waste-clearing systems. The reason this fruit helps is because it contains a specific type of protein-eating molecule. In the lab, these are called cysteine proteases. This image shows the physical structure of that enzyme. It is a complex, three-dimensional ribbon that is tightly folded and specifically built for one job: dismantling proteins. Let's see this in action. Heavy protein enters your stomach as a thick, tangled chain. Here, papain acts as biological scissors, actively snipping those tight chains apart. The protein is cut into uniform peptides and amino acids, which easily flow out. Because papain pre-digests the food for you, it dramatically reduces the workload on your human gut. By breaking the food down early, it eliminates the root cause of gas, bloat, and sluggishness before it can even start. Once digestion becomes effortless, you see a chain reaction of benefits. First, it improves gut motility, meaning food moves smoothly and steadily, which promotes regular, comfortable waste elimination. Breaking down proteins efficiently also provides the right kind of fuel for your microbiome. It feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which then strengthen the protective barrier lining your intestines. The enzyme's ability to dismantle protein chains doesn't stop in the gut. When these enzymes target the protein-rich fluids that gather in inflamed tissue, they help break up the congestion so the body can reabsorb it. You can see the physical result here in a patient with olecranon bursitis. After just 2 weeks of using papain to break down that internal backup, the arm is fully healed. This shows how quickly the enzyme can reduce severe inflammation when it's directed at the source. By efficiently breaking down proteins, papain creates a positive cascade throughout the body. It soothes an upset stomach, eases systemic inflammation, and supports your overall health. So, how can you actually integrate this biological tool into your own daily routine for optimal gut health? The most critical rule is timing. You must consume papain either on an empty stomach or about 30 minutes before a meal. This gives the enzymes a head start to act on the incoming food without competing with things you have already eaten. Looking at this comparison, you have 2 safe sourcing options. You can eat between 100 and 200 grams of fresh, ripe papaya daily, which provides excellent fiber. Or you can take a standardized, concentrated supplement for a more precise dose. Just be careful what you drink with it. Always pair papaya or a papain supplement with water, not milk. Because the enzyme rapidly breaks down dairy proteins, mixing the two can cause mild digestive discomfort. Following these strict timing and pairing rules is the difference between simply enjoying a piece of fruit and actively utilizing a biological tool to upgrade your digestion. Because papain is a highly active enzyme, it is powerful, which means it is not suitable for everyone. Specifically, you must avoid it if you have a latex allergy. It is also not recommended for pregnant women due to the risk of triggering contractions, or for patients taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin. As always, you should consult your primary healthcare provider before introducing any new supplements into your diet. But for most people, the takeaway is simple. You do not need to punish your body with extreme, unproven juice cleanses. By adding a natural enzyme like papain to your routine, you aren't forcing a detox. You are simply giving your system the biological tool it needs to digest proteins and clear waste efficiently.